7 money habits that'll make you rich in 2026. Let's be honest. Managing money isn't about being rich. It's about being smart. Whether you make $3,000 or $10,000 a month, these 7 personal finance habits can change your entire financial future. Number 5 alone saved me over $500 a month. Stick around till the end. Tip number 1. Wait 24 hours before buying. Before you buy anything over $50, wait 24 hours. Most impulse purchases disappear overnight, and this one rule can save you hundreds every month. Tip number 2. Automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers the day your paycheck hits. Pay yourself first, not last. Apps like Chime, Ally, or Capital One make it easy to automate $50, $100, or more. Tip number 3. Track your subscriptions. Americans waste over $200 a month on forgotten subscriptions. Use apps like Truebill or Rocket Money to cancel what you don't use. That's like getting a $2,400 annual raise without doing anything. Tip number 4. Build an emergency fund. Start small, even $20 a week. Build up at least 3 months of living expenses. When emergencies hit, you won't rely on credit cards charging 25% interest. Tip number 5. Use credit smartly. Credit isn't bad. Misuse is. Always pay on time, keep balances under 30%, and never chase points if it means going into debt. A strong credit score can save you tens of thousands in interest over your lifetime. Tip number 6. Invest early, even $10. Start investing, even if it's just $10 a week. Thanks to compound interest, time is your biggest asset. If you're 25 and invest $100 a month at 8% returns, you'll have over $350,000 by retirement. Tip number 7. Live below your means. Every time your income increases, keep your lifestyle the same for 6 months. Use that extra cash to save, invest, or pay debt. That's how people actually build wealth, not from raises, but from discipline. Start with just one of these habits today. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It happens paycheck by paycheck. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share it.